What's up, YouTube? You have your boy Harvey Harv here, original Harvey Harv, and I want you to subscribe, hit the notification button, all right? And for this one, you know, I showed y'all the around the world, so now I'm going to show you something a little bit more advanced today. All right, it's around the world off the arm. So you're going to come here off the arm. Catch. All right, so I taught you guys the left twirl the other day, and I taught you the around the world. So now you do the left twirl, half flip. Now, just like the around the world, your hand comes here, but instead of you putting your palm up, you're basically prepping yourself for your elbow bump. So see how the stick in my arm is here? Pay attention to that. So now this tosses halfway. Then the arm does the rest. It's hard to do slow. So you go here, here, and then you catch. Alright, there you have it. The around the world, off the arm. Thank you guys for subscribing, and many more is coming. Peace.